We're here at the NIKKEN Innovation Centre in Sheffield for the Hexagon Production Machining Suite event. We're going to find out about the whole portfolio of products they offer for CAD/CAM solutions. So let's go inside and hear from the experts about the solutions that could help you.
My name is Zoltan Tomoga, Product Manager at Hexagon Production Software. EDGECAM provides many benefits to our customers. One of the benefits is that for starting with a basic turning machine or milling machines, you can do it in one post-processor solutions. So what you can see behind me, it's the mill turn machines, and MTM, how we call it, where you can run your turning tool passes, basic 2-axis or 3-axis tool passes. What you can also do is run your milling and 5-axis simultaneous tool passes in one interface to improve your productivity, to reduce your cycle time, and so on. On our production machining suite, we provide a solution for our customers from design till NC code verification and also machine to monitoring. So what EDGECAM can do, you can load directly the native designer file, read the PMI information from the whole tolerances into EDGECAM, then you can create an automatic tool pass using our strategy manager, and then you can pass over all the NC code, fixtures and everything with the NC Simul interface into NC Simul. What we can also offer nowadays with machine to monitoring is we can customize our post-processors to equip the CNC code with the relevant information for your manufacturing monitoring solution. Our EDGECAM solution will handle your complex machining problems very easily. We can provide you not just a basic 2-axis or a 3-axis milling tool pass, but also complex 5-axis roughing strategies. We can provide you functionalities for your heavy industry, such as 6-axis CNC machines, complex angle heads, facing heads, and also providing support for complex tool passes and tools, such as barrel cutters or lens cutters.
I'm Hayley and I'm the Product Manager for Designer. Designer is Hexagon's CAD application for smarter manufacturing. Designer bridges the gap between design and manufacturing. So you take parts that have been created in any application, so it's CAD agnostic, and we try to consume as much information as possible. So the geometry, any wireframe, and all the additional metadata, so PMI information, for making sure that that part is manufactured correctly. And then we can view and modify that and make that part ready for manufacturing, and we pass that straight through to Hexagon CAM applications. So Designer is direct modeling, which frees the user from the constraints of a traditional history-based modeling system. So you can import models from any system, it doesn't matter how they've been created, and you can push and pull the faces around, cap holes and remove features and do whatever you need to do to make it manufacturable. So it's got a very shallow learning curve, and it's easy for any manufacturer to pick it up and do what they need to do to prepare their models for manufacturing. So right now in Designer, we're focusing on collaboration, automation and model-based definition to ensure that our users can ensure that they are making the right changes to their parts. They can automate as much as possible, so they're not doing manual repetitive processes, and so that we can take as much true data from the source all the way through to manufacturing and ultimately through to inspection. So we have a single source of truth, and we call that model-based definition for model-based manufacturing.